nights I woke up tortured. They mind controlled me to crush my skull. So I'm going to get an MRI at some point. Then I was sexually assaulted by a pedophile. Gary Albright, who drives a Honda Civic, maybe. He's in his 60s on SSI. He's a child molester who never got caught. And he gang rapes men and women in R&M for at least, I don't know, half a generation. I have no idea. Then a perp says, he's a child molester, he says, oh, that's enough feeding off of her stress hormones. That's basically what they're doing. So, for an ETI of any age, if you watch this, if I'm lucky enough for anybody to watch these videos, they piss me off, and so I fight back a lot, and I'm losing. I'm fighting in the wrong way. They're feeding off of your stress. Basically, that's it. They want you to be unhappy and pain, okay? They want you to die. And they will not feel bad when it's over. They'll just find another person to kill. So, thank you for listening.